Crew-2 of SpaceX Dragon capsule lands down on the Atlantic. They splashed down off the Florida coast late Monday, November 8, ending SpaceX's second long-duration mission. On November 9, at 10:33 p.m. SpaceX's Crew-2 mission for NASA splashed down successfully in the Gulf of Mexico near Pensacola, Florida. Their return ended a 6-month stay at the ISS. 4 astronauts, Shane Kimbrough, Megan McArthur, Thomas Pesquet, and Akihiko Hoshide, were successfully transported to and from the International Space Station by the SpaceX Crew Dragon Endeavour. This was SpaceX's second long-duration mission for NASA. Their stay aboard the ISS was just shy of 200 days. Many spacewalks were undertaken to assist modernize the space station, including installing 2 new solar arrays and working on hundreds of scientific projects. Kimbrough led the Crew-2 mission, while McArthur piloted it. Before giving the ISS over to Russian astronaut Anton Shkaplerov, Hoshide and Pesquet took turns directing the ISS. Because of a urine leak discovered during an inspection, the Crew-2 astronauts could not use the bathroom in their Crew Dragon on the way back to Earth. As a backup, NASA officials say they used undergarments. SpaceX has subsequently rebuilt the toilet to prevent future leaks. However, bad weather and a minor medical concern with one of the crew members necessitated NASA's decision to return Crew-2 to Earth before launching Crew-3 into space on Halloween. Endeavour dedocked from the ISS at 2:05 p.m. It did a special fly around, snapping images of the ISS's exterior. Photos taken by the Dragon will allow crews to investigate parts of the station ordinarily hidden from view by the station's cameras. The spaceship then spent many hours preparing to land. In order to return to Earth for a safe landing, Endeavour performed a deorbit burn at 9:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Endeavour splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico under parachutes and darkness. The NASA and SpaceX rescue crew selected Monday night because forecasts anticipated calm waters and moderate winds. The capsule splashed down around 10:33 p.m. on Tuesday, November 9. Go Navigator, a SpaceX Dragon recovery ship, utilized its own recovery equipment to pull Endeavour from the ocean. Teams then inspected the vehicle to ensure the crew's safety. Kimbrough, McArthur, and Hoshide will return to Houston, while Pesquet will return to Europe. After the astronauts return to Earth, the agency will focus on launching Crew-3.